I see a lot of my students try to learn many unrelated programming languages. At the same time, they learn a bit of C++ while learning JavaScript and Python. And after applying for 100 jobs with no response, they get frustrated and wonder what's going wrong. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why trying to learn many unrelated languages is a recipe for failure and what you should focus on. Instead, look, each of these languages has certain strengths and is often used for a specific kind of job in the tech world. For example, C++ is a powerful beast when it comes to building amazing games or controlling physical objects like smartwatches, self-driving cars, and all the cool gadgets. On the other hand, JavaScript is all about making websites interactive and dynamic. Two completely different worlds and specializations. So someone learning JavaScript and C++ at the same time, it's like someone trying to become a dentist and a heart surgeon. At the same time, you wouldn't get hired as a dentist or a heart surgeon if you only know a little bit of each, right? The same goes for coding. Getting a software engineering job isn't about how many programming languages. It's about what you can do or what you can build. Let's be realistic. If you only know bits of JavaScript and C++, you can't build either a game or a website. These are two different career paths, and each requires more than just the core language for games. You'll need C++ as well as a game engine, like Unreal Engine, plus other skills in graphics and game design. And for creating awesome websites, you'll need HTML, CSS, JavaScript, a UI toolkit like React, Angular, and so on. So do yourself a favor, stop trying to learn everything at once. If you want that coding job, you have to focus on one language at a time, and then learn the other tools and technologies that go with it, so you can build something that employers will actually care about. I've made a short and practical video where I break down exactly which languages are best for different tech jobs. It gives you a super clear direction. Check out the link in the description box below. And hey, if this video helped you gain clarity, give it a like and subscribe for more awesome coding content. Thanks for watching.